isn't my first rodeo, so why do I have to explain?
Hey, Mully here. So gonna do something a little bit different from the last videos and be a bit less like this and more like this. So we're in Heathrow Airport at the moment and we are waiting for our gate to be announced. We're just gonna get some Thai baht because we've got an 8-hour stopover in Bangkok. So we're gonna get a lot of nice food to eat. I'll see you there. And we made it to Bangkok. And also Inception. So we're just getting some food in Bangkok Airport and we have stopped at Sheen Kitchen. Just deciding what I want. Let's start off with some mango juice. Thick, blended with ice. So for 190 baht, you can get a dodgy hot dog from Dairy Queen. Or for about 200 baht, you can get red pork and crispy pork. Can't wait to try this. This is the crispy pork. It's like a chewy, crispy pork belly. Really good. This is the red pork. Quite sweet. Because I got some Thai sausage as well, which I've always liked. So good. Much better than a dodgy hot dog from Dairy Queen. So good. We then tried the local ice cream.
Mind's a mess of unsatisfied, of quarrels, fretfuls, and in less than a minute's time, I'll show you from the start. I'll set the story straight. Everything that you see and read will never be the same. If I follow, brother, catch me.
Hazelnut and chocolate ice creams. Oh no. So smooth and creamy. So on the third floor, they have these chairs. Just waiting to board our plane from Bangkok. I feel like I've spent most of my life in this airport at the moment, so I'm quite glad to leave. If anyone needs a tour of the airport, I pretty much know it like the back of my hand. Mega delayed, but we made it onto flight number 2. Next stop, Perth. We just made it through customs really easily. It's very simple, and now we're in Australia. Amazing. Just need to work out how we're going to get to the Airbnb. See you in the pit. Day 2 in Perth. We've decided we're going to go into Perth proper. The sun's come out a bit. It's not too hot because there's a bit of a nice cool breeze, which is good. So we're going to have an explore today. Hopefully the weather will keep out alright. There is a bit of cloud in the surrounding areas, but nothing too bad. Definitely fell asleep on the sofa last night, but managed to sleep till 6 o'clock this morning, so much better than yesterday. Right, let's go explore. Weakness once was both really missed since leaving New Zealand that we didn't realise we could get in Australia.
Mind's a mess of unsatisfied.
Well, I definitely didn't expect to be feeding kangaroos when we got here. That was awesome.
And in less than a minute's time.
Today we've headed west and taken the train line all the way to the end to the port town of Fremantle, which is very windy and a bit chilly, but some cool boats.
I'll show you from the start. I'll set the story straight. Everything that you see and read will never be the same. If I follow brother, catch me. We've been down this road before. Every exit is a door, locked from the inside, and I'm dying for